Places where computers are used. Computers are used at different places for different kinds of work. Some places where computers are used are at schools, homes, offices, banks, railway stations, and airports. Home. We can watch movies, listen to music and play games on the computer at home. School. In the classroom, teachers use the computer to teach, and in the computer lab students use the computers to learn different things. Office. Computers are used to maintain records in the offices. Hospital. Computers are used in hospitals to make medical reports. Shops. Shopkeepers use the computer to store the details of products that they sell. Railway station and airport. Computers are used at railway stations and airports for booking tickets and giving information about arrivals and departures of trains and airplanes.